In this video, we present experimental results of our work on data-driven stabilization for single input, single output systems. The drone is propelled into the air and, without any previous data, it's forced to learn how to stabilize itself before hitting the ground. After the drone stabilizes at the desired altitude, we change its weight, altering its dynamics and thus forcing it to relearn how to stabilize itself. Once the drone relearns how to stabilize itself, we further demonstrate the robustness of our method by introducing an external disturbance in the form of wind. As a last demonstration of robustness, we apply the Boston Dynamics test. Finally, we ask the drone to land by following a sequence of set points of decreasing altitude. If you would like more information, you can find a preprint of our work by following the link in the description below.